is a premier gathering place for leaders across the entire Catholic Health Ministry.
Every June, the executives, trustees, sponsors, leaders from across the Catholic Health Ministry, the health systems, hospitals, long-term care facilities, other ministries, they all come together at the Catholic Health Assembly to celebrate, to worship together, to learn from one another, really to get inspired and renewed to return to the work they do in leading the ministry.
The Assembly also gives us an opportunity to honor the heroes and heroines of Catholic Health Ministry, those who have devoted an entire lifetime to Catholic health care. And it also gives us an opportunity to acknowledge the young emerging leaders in Catholic health care who will take this ministry forward. It is always such a moving and inspiring event. Because of the beauty of the liturgies, people often tell us they come away from our assembly feeling like they've been on a spiritual retreat. If you're a leader in Catholic healthcare, this is an event you can't miss.